Greetings everyone, I'm Stephen Yong Chong Hong and I'm going to present you the topic IoT sensors for smart parking sharing mobile services. So before I start, let me introduce what is a smart parking system. So a smart parking system is a system that helps the drivers to find a vacant parking slot. The drivers can access the system with their mobile phone to check the parking status of all the parking slots in the particular parking area. In this idea, a smart parking system will be delivered by three main components. The first will be the ultrasonic sensor used to detect the presence of a car. The microcontroller will be the Node MCU ESP8266. And the last will be the Adafruit.io cloud server used to store the sensor data. When the ultrasonic sensor detects the vehicle, it will send a signal to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller will update the data in the cloud server through internet connection. So the user can access the cloud server to check the parking status of all the parking slots. So now you may ask, why do we need a smart parking system? So actually, there are a few problems faced by the public currently, which are, first, the drivers will normally need to drive around and around to search for one vacant parking space. This not only wastes the driver's time, and it will also cause traffic congestions in urban cities. Second, when the vehicle is driving, it will release a lot of gas that may cause air pollution. For example, the sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide released by the vehicle will cause the respiratory disease that may affect the human's health. Besides, some gases such as carbon dioxide will also lead to greenhouse effect and cause the global warming of the earth. So actually, the smart parking system has many advantages. First, as the system directly guides the drivers to a vacant parking space, the drivers will no need to drive around and around to search for parking. It also reduces the traffic congestion in urban cities. Next, the system can also help the drivers to reduce their cost for car fuel. This is because the usage of the car is reduced. It also helps to prevent air pollution because the vehicle will not release so much gases that may pollute the air. Finally, it helps the drivers to plan their destination properly. For example, when the driver wants to go to a shopping complex, he or she may first check the parking availability in the smart parking system. When he or she finds that the shopping complex is out of vacant parking space, he or she can plan to visit another shopping complex, and it also has saved their time. There are two special designs in this smart parking system compared to other systems. For conventional smart parking systems, they cannot differentiate between a man passed by the sensor and a vehicle. So for this system, when the sensor detects an object, it will first wait for 5 seconds. If after 5 seconds it still detects the object, it can identify that it is a vehicle but not a man passed by. So it will update the status through the microcontroller. Another design is to help the system to identify when the sensor is actually blocked by dust or rubbish such as a newspaper. So when the object is detected by the sensor, it will first measure the distance between the sensor and the object. When it is found that the distance is within 1 cm, the sensor can identify that it's actually blocked by rubbish or dust instead of a vehicle. So it will send a signal to the microcontroller to activate the buzzer and alert the parking zone owner. For the commercialization potential of this system, the smart parking system can be applied in different places such as the shopping complexes. By modifying the system, it can help to calculate the parking fees for every customer visiting the shopping center. Besides, the management team of the shopping complex can perform data analysis based on the parking information provided by the system. For example, they can calculate the total number of customers visiting the shopping center in 1 month to evaluate the performance. This system can also be applied in places such as an apartment. By applying the RFID technology, the system can prevent malicious individuals such as a car thief from entering the parking zone. Besides, it also can provide functions such as a parking reservation for the residents. The residents just need to give their car plate number in order to book a parking slot. That's all from my presentation. Thank you for your precious time.